Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another unit. I am coming through with a Love Me hair review, and nobody's more excited than I am. So before we get into this, bust down, subscribe to our channel, and let's see what they gave us. That's with this purple and gold. It's very regal. Okay. So I believe we're doing the Honey Ombre unit. Comes in this cute little bag. Love Me hair, mink eyelashes, which I probably should have put on had I known they were in here. So the Love Me hair lashes. I love this. That is super cute. They give you a cute little note. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Okay. And they give you a cute little, like, first of all, you know, all they had to send my ass was some goddamn caps. Y'all know I love me some wig caps. And then they sent us this cute little bag. First of all, Love Me hair is coming through with the gifts. You know, we... Oh, first of all, y'all. Y'all know I thought this was a baby deodorant, right? That's... Look at this. Love Me hair better come through with the branding. Okay. And a red tail comb, because nobody can get enough of these. And some bobby pins. First, and an adjustable band. Let me tell you something, Love Me hair. We didn't even get into the unit yet. And I feel abundantly blessed with all these gifts. And I'm feeling it. This, you guys, is the wax stick to stick down all your flyaways, which is so necessary. I used to use the Tiggy stick. And that stick was like $20. Okay, and I am so glad y'all sent me that Love Me hair. You have no idea. You out here saving lives. So, let's unveil her. Now, she's 18 inches. This is the honey brown ombre hair, okay? I believe this unit is currently going for $179.90, okay? And it only comes in 3 inches, 14, 16, and 18. It looks like let's get into the cap construction. She has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps will kind of forever. She has lace in the back as well as lace in the front, 13x6 lace in the front. Let's just get a look at her. Y'all know I love me an adjustable band. So this unit is, okay, looks like she needs to be plucked out a little bit around the edges. What do you guys think? She needs a little bit of love and affection. Oh, you guys, this hair. So first things first. The cap is very Gwyneth Paltrow, okay? But we're going to go through and darken her up. And we're going to lay this. Love Me hair is such a popular brand of human hair units and bundles. I am so happy to have had the opportunity to collaborate with them all. So this current unit is the Honey Brown Ombre 180% density frontal lace wig. I have this again in 18 inches, and Love Me hair is running a sale, as they always do, and you all need to go and run over there and check her out. This unit curls so nicely, okay? She took a little bit of love and attention in the beginning, only because she was fresh out the pack, okay? So I am using my barrel curler just to give her some nice, beautiful curls, okay? We're going to do a nice side part style. And I'm just starting from the root and doing a big wand curl. This is like really my favorite look. I love big Hollywood glam. And that's the kind of curls that I wanted to give this unit. Now this hair feels fantastic. Okay, this is some of the best hair I've felt on a human hair unit in a very long time. Get into this lace, guys. This is really one of my favorite parts of this unit. Is this pre-plucked hairline. That is so super important nowadays because we all know that people are just giving us baseball caps for hair. Okay, so this is a much more natural hairline. The unit will require that you spray her with some hairspray. My curls are falling just a bit, but I feel like that's pretty normal. Good night. Fresh out the scalp, my loves. Again, this is Love Me Hair. Okay. I just put it on the side because that's just the mood I was in today. And I'm always giving y'all middle part. So, figured I'd switch up the tempo. Good night. Good night. Are y'all into that? Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Out the scalp! Okay, now listen, Love Me Hair. You guys, go check out Love Me Hair. They are a super popular human hair vendor. We didn't deserve all this. Let me tell y'all something. I'm feeling like I'm about to be out here singing happy birthday to somebody's husband. Who did that? Who did that, y'all? No, it wasn't Kenya Moore. Let me tell you something. If you have not already, bust down. Get into this hair from Love Me Hair. Yes, I lost my wax stick, which is why I have so many flyaways. And I'm sorry about that, my loves. But I have no idea where I put it once I took it out the box. But look how beautiful. Get up on this color, this honey ombre. And I will see you beautiful people later.